Is crypto just a scam? Or is it the golden ticket to financial freedom that nobody told you about? Let me guess. You've heard it all before. It's just a bubble, or it's only for the rich. Sound familiar? Well, today, we're cutting through the noise and busting the 5 biggest crypto myths that are holding you back from unlocking your potential in the digital economy. Crypto is more than hype. It's a revolution. But with so much misinformation out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed or skeptical. That's why in this video, we're separating fact from fiction. You'll learn how blockchain technology works, how anyone can get started in crypto, and why this space isn't just for tech billionaires or big corporations. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications because we're dropping valuable insights like this every day. First myth: crypto is just a bubble waiting to burst. Let me ask you this. Would global giants like BlackRock and Fidelity, managing trillions in assets, dive into a bubble? The truth is, institutional adoption is skyrocketing, with businesses and governments alike using blockchain tech for secure transactions and efficient supply chains. It's not just about Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's about the technology reshaping industries far beyond finance. That's the kind of disruption you can't ignore. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Blockchain is solving real-world problems right now. Think transparent voting systems, decentralized identity verification, and even combating counterfeit goods. These aren't just experimental ideas. They're active, growing sectors that showcase blockchain's potential beyond speculative assets. This isn't a bubble. It's the foundation of a digital revolution, one brick at a time. Still not convinced? Look at the historical adoption curve of the internet. Early on, critics dismissed it as a fad, just like they do with crypto now. But here we are, streaming, shopping, and living online. Crypto is on a similar trajectory, and yes, the markets are volatile, but volatility is the cost of opportunity. Stick around, and I'll show you how understanding these trends could be the key to staying ahead in a rapidly changing financial landscape. Let's bust another myth. Crypto is too complicated. You need to be a tech wizard to get it. Honestly, that's just fear talking. You don't need to know how blockchain works under the hood any more than you need to understand how the internet sends emails. The basics? Crypto is simply digital money, secured by technology, that lets you take control of your finances. You can learn as you go, just like you did with online banking or smartphones. It's not rocket science, it's just the future. And let's talk about tools, because they're a game changer. Platforms like Coinbase or Binance make crypto investments as simple as clicking a few buttons. Want to explore deeper? Tools like DeFi can guide you through decentralized finance opportunities, and apps like MetaMask make using DeFi a breeze. With tutorials, YouTube channels, like this one, and free resources everywhere, the knowledge is right at your fingertips. Dive in. It's simpler than you think. Here's what happens. People shy away from what they don't understand. But let me tell you, the learning curve is much smaller than you'd imagine. Start small, maybe buying $10 worth of Bitcoin. Explore one new platform at a time. Soon enough, you'll feel empowered, not intimidated. Stick around, because up next, we're tackling a myth that's stopping people from entering the space altogether. So, let's crush this next myth. Crypto is just for the wealthy. That's one of the biggest misconceptions out there. The truth? Crypto is one of the few investment opportunities where you don't need to be rolling in cash to get started. Thanks to fractional ownership, you can own a slice of Bitcoin or Ethereum with as little as $5. Platforms like Cash App or Robinhood make it super easy to dip your toes in. No yachts or private jets required. Here's a reality check. Some of the biggest crypto success stories started with small investments. Regular folks have used tools like staking and yield farming on platforms like Lido or PancakeSwap to grow their portfolios over time. It's not about how much you start with. It's about making smart moves consistently. Financial freedom doesn't belong to the rich. It belongs to those willing to take that first step. And let's not forget accessibility. Crypto thrives on decentralization, which means it's designed to be open to everyone, no matter where you are or what you earn. That's what makes this space so revolutionary. But thinking it's only for the rich might be what's holding you back. Up next, we'll tackle another common fear about crypto, And this one might just change how you see the entire industry. The fourth myth. Crypto isn't safe. It's all scams. Sure, there are bad actors in the space, but let's be honest. Aren't there scams in every industry? The difference with crypto is the transparency built into blockchain technology. Every transaction is recorded on an open, tamper-proof ledger. It's not just secure, it's revolutionary. Plus, when you stick to reputable platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken, you're already cutting out a huge chunk of the risk. That said, caution is key. You wouldn't hand your credit card to a stranger, so don't do the crypto equivalent either. Be wary of too-good-to-be-true schemes or random DMs promising massive returns. Look for red flags, unverified projects, lack of a white paper, or teams that hide their identities. By doing your homework, you're not just staying safe, you're learning how to navigate the space like a pro. Crypto isn't the Wild West anymore. Governments are stepping in with regulations, and platforms are tightening security measures every day. But here's the catch. Assuming it's all unsafe might make you miss out on the opportunities that are transforming lives. So stick around, because next we're diving into the myth that makes people think only big corporations benefit from crypto, and why that couldn't be further from the truth. Let's put an end to this myth. Crypto is just a playground for tech giants and big corporations. Sure, companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy have made headlines with their crypto moves, but they're far from the only ones benefiting. The beauty of blockchain and decentralized finance, DeFi, is that it levels the playing field. Platforms like Uniswap and Aave empower individuals, not institutions, to earn, trade, and grow wealth on their terms. It's decentralization in action. Here's the truth. Crypto and DeFi are creating opportunities for small businesses and entrepreneurs in ways traditional finance never could. Artists can sell their work directly as NFTs without relying on galleries. Small businesses can crowdfund with tokens instead of jumping through hoops for loans. Even freelancers are getting paid in crypto, bypassing hefty fees from services like PayPal. The little guys aren't just benefiting, they're thriving. You don't have to be a tech giant to win in this space. Blockchain is built to empower the masses. People around the world are using crypto to escape inflation, build wealth, and gain financial independence. It's not about the size of your company, it's about how you use the tools. And that's exactly what this space is all about. Opportunity for everyone. Now that we've busted the 5 biggest crypto myths, you're no longer in the dark. Crypto isn't just for the rich, the tech-savvy, or big corporations. It's for everyone who's ready to take control of their financial future. Knowledge is only power when you act on it. So what will you do with what you've learned today? Will you let old misconceptions hold you back, or will you take that first step toward financial freedom? If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss my daily updates. And hey, if you're serious about mastering DeFi and building a portfolio that works for you, check out my ebook. It's packed with insider strategies, security tips, and even my perfect DeFi portfolio. Stuff you won't find anywhere else. The link is pinned in the first comment below. Remember, the future belongs to those who take action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep unlocking those opportunities.